Hi everyone, Liu here, founder of Lion Paper Products. I've been in notebook manufacturing and global stationery export for over 20 years, working with brands that sell in retail, corporate gifting, and promotional channels. Today, I want to simplify something that causes most quality disputes and most cost surprises. When buyers say printing, they usually mean the cover artwork. But in manufacturing, printing quality is a system and it's decided by 6 steps. If you're sourcing custom notebooks for 2025 or 2026, this episode will help you brief suppliers like a pro and avoid rework, delays, and returns. Why this matters for buyers. A notebook is a simple product until it hits real life. Quality affects sell through. A premium feel supports a higher MSRP. Returns, warped covers, weak binding, ink bleed. These become refunds. Operational cost, repacking, rework, and endless QC arguments. Brand trust, color consistency, and tactile finish become your signature. So let's go through the 6 steps, like a buyer's field checklist. Step 1. Design and spec. This is where most buyers think they're done, but factories think you're just starting. In production terms, design is not only artwork. Design equals structure plus material plus finish plus packaging. The key decisions to lock early. 1. Trim size. A 5 is the classic daily carry. A 4 is great for planners and sketchbooks. In North America, half letter is common. Size impacts freight cube, shelf presence, and even binding stability. 2. Inner layout. Lined, dotted, grid, blank, or custom templates like planners, prompts, trackers. This choice also affects ink coverage and cost. 3. Cover concept. Not just what it looks like, but what it feels like. Matte, soft touch, textured, cloth. These change brand perception instantly. My buyer tip. If your spec is unclear, suppliers either pad the price or underquote and later correct it. A clear spec protects you. Step 2. Materials. Materials decide writing experience, durability, and your sustainability story. Let's start with interior paper. 8090 GSM. Cost effective. Everyday writing. 100, 100, and 20 GSM. Better opacity. Less show through. 120, 140 GSM. Premium feel. More fountain pen friendly. Less bleed. Then cover materials. Printed paper mounted on grayboard for hardcovers. PU. Vegan leather. Durable. Premium. Great for deboss and foil. Cloth. Linen. Tactile. Upscale. Craft. Textured specialty paper. Distinctive. Eco look. And sustainability signals buyers can request FSC certified paper options, recycled content options, where suitable, low VOC or eco ink choices if your market requires it. One practical note, don't choose paper only from photos. Paper is a feel decision. Always test with your real pens, real use case. Step 3. Prepress. Prepress is the hidden hero. It prevents most of the classic mistakes. Wrong color mode, missing fonts, bad bleed, trimming issues, and it looked different on screen. Good prepress should include file checks, bleed, safety margins, resolution, font embedding, color management, CMYK, conversion guidance, proof plan, print ready layout confirmation, pagination, imposition, spine alignment. If you want reliable outcomes, insist on a digital proof plus a PP sample before mass production. That one step saves you the most money. Step 4. Printing method. There are two mainstream routes. Offset printing. Best for medium to large runs, high consistency and sharpness. Most efficient at scale. Great for retail lines and recurring SKUs. Digital printing. Best for short runs, fast launches, personalization like variable names, small batch testing, limited editions. Biotip. You can mix strategies. For example, offset covers for impact, simpler interior printing to control cost. Step 5. Binding and finishing. This is where premium becomes real. Binding options. Saddle stitch. Thin booklets. Lowest cost. Perfect binding. Clean spine. For thicker books, PUR is often preferred for durability. Spiral, wire O, lay flat. Ideal for planners and desk use. Case binding hardcover. Premium durability and shelf presence. Then, finishing this is your first impression layer. Matte, gloss, soft touch, lamination, foil, stamping, emboss, deboss, spot, UV, optional upgrades. Ribbons, elastic bands, pockets, edge coloring. A quick rule. Retail and gifting benefit from tactile upgrades. High volume promos usually prioritize durability plus cost. Step 6. Quality control. Quality is repeatability. Not we promise, but measurable checks. QC checkpoints you should ask for. Color, consistency across batches. Binding, strength, checks, and page alignment. A. Cover warp control, especially hardcovers. Rub, scuff, resistance for lamination and foil. Packout standards to prevent corner dents in transit. And systems matter. ISO style process consistency. FSC chain of custody if you're making FSC claims. And social audits if your retail onboarding requires them. So, here's the takeaway. A notebook is simple, but high-quality notebook printing is a system. When these 6 steps align, you get fewer surprises, cleaner approvals, and a product customers keep on their desk, not in a return bin. If you're planning a custom notebook program for 2025 over 2026, do this now. Send me your target size, page count, binding, and quantity, and I'll reply with 2 specs. 1. A premium option, and 2. A cost-down alternative so you can choose fast. Email leoxia@lion-paper.com. WhatsApp +86 137 5075 6354. Website lionpaper-istyle.com. I'm Leo Xia, Lion Paper Products. You design, we deliver. If you want, I can also turn this into a 2-speaker style host plus Leo for even higher retention while keeping it under 7 minutes.